Hey, what's going on guys? Brendan here at DetailKing.com. Today I'm here to show you our Jade Refresh Surface Prep. Before you apply a ceramic coating, it's important to make sure that the surface that you're applying that coating to is free of any oils, waxes, or any other contaminants that might prevent the coating from bonding properly. That's where Jade Refresh Surface Prep comes in. Spraying some Jade Refresh Surface Prep on a microfiber towel and working it over the vehicle will help remove and strip away any waxes, oils, or residues that will prevent the bonding of the coating. Taking a few minutes to go around the vehicle with Refresh Surface Prep will allow the coating to bond properly to the surface. This will deliver a better result than if you had not used Refresh Surface Prep. To use Refresh, simply spray onto a clean microfiber towel and begin wiping over the surface. Flip the towel over to a dry side to remove any excess refresh, and continue this process over the entire vehicle, wiping down any area you intend to coat. Alright guys, that about wraps it up for this video. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. For any more information on the Jade Refresh Surface Prep or any of our other ceramic coating products, head on over to DetailKing.com where we have everything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and let us know in the comments below what videos you want to see next. Thanks for watching.